Hello, my dear friends. I hope you're all doing great. Continuing our Zero to Hero Excel course from the Your Skill Up Lab YouTube channel, in this session, we're going to dive into the fundamentals of working with files. Every lesson in this course is highly important. We only focus on essential tips that matter for your professional growth. Let's begin. In previous lessons, we discussed how to export data. Now, let's see how to import or open files. If you go to the File tab and select Open, you will see various sections, similar to the Save As menu. In the Recent section, you can see the latest files you've used for quick access. Keep in mind that a limited number of files are shown here. As you open new ones, older files are removed from the bottom of the list and new ones are added to the top. To keep a specific file permanently in this list, hover your mouse over it without clicking until a pin icon appears. Clicking the pin moves it to the pin section at the top, ensuring it is never removed. Clicking it again will unpin it and return it to the list below. Right-clicking a file in this section offers several options. Open to open it normally, open a copy to create a duplicate, copy path to clipboard to copy its location, and pin to list option. The remove from list option deletes the file from this specific view, while clear unpinned workbooks removes all unpinned files from the list at once. In the OneDrive section, you can access your cloud files if you have signed into your account. The This PC section gives you access to your local computer folders and allows you to create new folders on the spot. Add a Place lets you connect other online storage services. The most important section is Browse, which opens the Windows File Explorer. Before opening a file, notice the small arrow next to the Open button. It reveals several advanced options. Open, the standard mode for editing. Open Read Only allows you to view the file without making any changes to the original. Open as Copy opens a new duplicate immediately, leaving the original file untouched. Open in Browser, used specifically for HTML or HTML files. Open in Protected View. This is a crucial security feature. Since Excel supports background coding, files from unknown sources might contain viruses or worms. This mode opens the file safely by disabling background scripts to protect your computer. Open and Repair, used for damaged files to attempt a recovery of your data. Now, I will click Cancel and use the back button to return to our workbook. You can work with multiple workbooks simultaneously. Hovering your mouse over the Excel icon at the bottom of your screen shows all open workbooks. Alternatively, go to the View tab and click Switch Windows to easily navigate between them by name. To close a workbook, you can click the X mark in the top right corner or go to File and select Close. If you have multiple workbooks open, both options work the same way. However, if you only have one workbook open, clicking the X mark will exit the entire Excel application. If you want to close the file but keep the Excel environment open, you must use the File Close command. Since I don't want to save this one, I'll click Don't Save, and as you can see, we stay in Excel even though the workbook is closed. From here, we can create a new blank workbook or open our previous files. I am teaching everything comprehensively so that by the end of this course, you will be fully prepared for the job market and ready to handle projects from scratch to finish. Please practice these steps with patience, subscribe to your Skill Up Lab, and like the videos. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for more details in the next lessons. Good luck!